Alright, welcome back to another amazing episode of my YouTube channel. I'm doing some cooking in the kitchen, and you're welcome to join me if you want to watch along and have a laugh or two also. Today, we're making ramen, but the fun way, and we're heating up some oil. We got our veggies. I already cut them up. We have our abbreviation for the YouTube channel, because there's no way I was going to remember what it's called. Just off the top of my head, it's just ridiculous. We got this guy, this little buddy. Hi, say hi. Can you say hi? Okay. All right, we've got our onions and garlic in the oil. I've got a wooden spoon because apparently we don't have a single spatula in this entire fucking house. It smells great in here. Everyone's having a real good time. Say hello, everyone. All my friends, say hello. We're just gonna let this, brown for a bit, and then we're gonna do the other ingredients in a short while. All right, we gotta put some water in here, put the ramen in, and it's starting to soften up and simmer a little bit, and that's what we want. We want that because that's good. And then we've got our spices over here that we're gonna put in a little bit. We've got Thai curry paste, a single soy sauce from a takeout place. I couldn't find, we don't have our own soy sauce apparently. Just some crushed red pepper because I like to spice things up, and then the flavor packets that it comes with, but I'll probably not use all of them because it's just so much salt. It's just too much. By the way, this week we're not sponsored by Brooklyn Lager like we normally are, but we've actually got this Yingling, this dad beer over here because what? They didn't have it. They didn't have any Brooklyn at the store? They didn't. Okay. All right. Yeah, apparently they didn't have any Brooklyn at the store. So we got this instead. It's fine. It's not Brooklyn, but it's fine. Whatever. So we got our ramen, going. It's doing its thing. It's starting to, it's absorbed all the water, which is great, because now we can toss the spices and the spinach and whatever in, and it'll be good. I like to start with a good, big, beautiful mound of spinach, because by the time it's cooked, you're going to have just like a square millimeter of it left, so it doesn't matter how much you put in. If I had more, I finished it, there's none left, but if I had more, I'd put more, because it's just, no amount of spinach you can put into a dish will result in anything at all. It's crazy. I don't even know why I used it in the first place, what's the point? Couldn't tell you. Alright, so we're pretty much done here. I like to leave it in there for a little extra so it gets a little crispy like that, like a little crisp on it, but you don't have to do that. That's entirely optional. You'll notice that there's pretty much no spinach. There's just like a fleck here and there. It's ridiculous. Why? I love spinach, but why is it this way? Anyway, remember to thank your parents for making you be alive, or curse them out for making you be alive, because sometimes the gift of life is also a curse. And remember to have a lovely day. It's Valentine's Day, and you know what that means. You know what that means. I've just been informed that it's actually not Valentine's Day. So I guess I kind of jumped the gun on that one. It's actually in 2 days. It's crazy. I thought I could have sworn it was 14. It doesn't matter. Anyway, Valentine's Day is stupid. I've never been in a loving relationship before, so I hate on things that make other people happy.